Long before the danger signs, way out beyond the borderlines, in the passages to heaven's door, read the elegies of many more. Across the land and out to sea, a wild river runs. In the broken channels of the night, tiger, tiger burns so bright, a mortal heart and hand and eye, beyond the reach of godless skies, framed in perfect symmetry, where a wild river runs. In the beating heat of wasted land, there we meet the ferryman, and he's burning Dante's comedy, and robed in all humanity, to guard his crumbling citadels, where the wild river runs. You see, Odysseus, I've claimed your name, and I've drank the poison from your veins. I met the Buddha on that dusty road, and I killed him there, and I stole his clothes, 'cause he was done with all that fake idolatry, where the wild rivers run. 'Cause there beneath that olive tree, that migrant man, it's you and me, and his critics jeer from parapets like packs of wolves. Those hypocrites are all camouflaged in their filthy politics, where the wild river runs. Hidden in that Trojan horse, they banished man to drift off course, and they gave him hope, then they laid a trap and sank a dagger in his back, and they culled him on the Ides of March, where the wild river runs. But with these wings I will aspire to face my demons in my darkest hour, and the holy dove will carry me, and perhaps one day the world will see that I claimed it in the name of art, to untwist these sinews from my heart, and to douse the furnace in my brain, strike the anvil and cut the chains, just to feel my heart beat again with trembling hands and trembling feet. Amen. Let the stars throw down their spears and shower heaven with my tears, and I'll shine out beyond all borderlines, and I'll cast my songs like satellites where land and sky and ocean meet. I'll place forgiveness at your feet, and there, my friend, our souls will meet, where a wild river runs. But there's little I can say to you to explain the pain mankind goes through. But if you take the reins and make your luck, you won't need a guide, you won't need a map. Just let the moon eclipse the sun, and let your wild rivers run. And yes, you'll taste the grapes of wrath, and you'll trek that rack and ruined path, and past the pool Narcissus drowned, and you'll see his broken mirror on the ground. But don't drink that water, go far beyond, where the wild river runs. And in that dirty, glitter-laden robe, walk across the burning coals, clutching freedom in your fist, and remember who you loved and who you'll miss, and chase those crazy horses out to sea, where the wild river runs. 'Cause I know it's hard to comprehend the way one day our story ends, to start a babe upon a breast, until we meet our final test, where the current's fast and the current's slow, where the wild rivers go. But if you yearn to feel the rush, then reach out with an artist's brush, 'Cause out there somewhere in this universe, somewhere your soul and spirit traverse beyond the endless stars and galaxies, where the wild river runs. And long before the danger signs, way out beyond the borderlines, in the passages to heaven's door, read the elegies of many more. Across the land and out to sea, a wild river runs. A wild river runs. A wild river runs.